How to hide any iPhone caller ID. Let's start. To hide your caller ID on an iPhone, you can use several methods depending on your preferences. To hide your number for all outgoing calls, go to Settings, Phone, Show My Caller ID, and toggle off the option. If this setting is unavailable due to carrier restrictions, you can hide your number for individual calls by dialing *67 before the phone number. For a permanent solution, contact your carrier and request them to block your caller ID for all calls, with the option to override it for specific calls by dialing *82 before the number. Alternatively, you can use third-party apps like Burner or Hushed to make anonymous calls or create disposable numbers for privacy. If you frequently need to hide your number, consider using a secondary number through services like Google Voice, Skype, or TextNow. Before using these features, confirm that your carrier and region support caller ID restrictions, as some countries or networks may have limitations. By following these methods, you can keep your number private while making calls. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.